How's it going, students? Welcome to another video. Today we will go over a simple geometry topic, which are line segments. So the secret to this is to be able to visualize this problem by drawing it first. So from what this says, it says find the value of the variable, and be careful because this is two parts. So we have to find the variable and line segment ST. Then it gives us this information right here, which is the most important. S is between R and T. So all of these points are gonna lie on the same line, and it is saying that S is between R and T. So we're just gonna pop in an S in the middle because between means middle, and we're gonna just put the endpoints as R and T. So that is just part of the battle. Now we just gotta label some stuff and take your time on this. Some people were confused with this topic. R through S is 7A. So we can label it like that. And ST, S through T, is 12A. Finally, it gives us this information that R through S, from this to this, is 28. So some of my students just move without thinking, and they're very robotic about math. So you're not always adding these two line segments together. You have to really look at the given information. So the easiest way to put this is look at the piece that has two pieces of information on it. If you look at this part of the line segment, RS has two key information. One says it equals 7A and one says 28. We don't have to worry about that when we set up our equation. Just focus on that, and since that is talking about RS, both of these information, we can say that 7A equals 28, and from here is just a single step equation. Solve for A by dividing by 7, and we get A equals 4. So now we got the variable. Next, we just have to find the measure of ST, and this says that ST has an expression of 12A. So to find ST, which had an original expression of 12A, we just have to substitute A as 4 because that is what that says. So ST will equal 48. We're gonna run through one more scenario right here, and I'm trying to tell you guys that this is not all the same, so don't think robotic. At this point, if you want to pause the video, go for it. Try out the problem, and you can unpause it for the solution. All right, let's go through this. S is between R and T once again, so pop in the S in the middle, and let's label some stuff. RS is now 4y minus 1. ST is 2y minus 1. And this time, the second piece of information, R through T, also has the expression of 5y. So this is much different from the first example, because in this one, RT is the one that has two pieces of information on it, which is this, and both of these together is what makes up RT. Let's make this simple. Let's start with 5y. That is going to equal both of these expressions combined, because it is this and this that make up RT. So we're going to combine 4y minus 1, and when we're combining line segments to put things together, that is just plus. I'm going to add it to the other line segment, ST, which is 2y minus 1. Now we got an equation to solve for y. Remember that you can combine like terms first. Now I got 6y minus 2 equals 5y. And we solve for y. Might as well throw the y's on the left side. Minus 6y. Negative 1y equals negative 2. And divide by negative 1. Y equals 2. That is half the battle. Don't forget that you also have to find what ST equals. So to find that, we know that ST has the expression of 2y minus 1, and we know what y is, so we just gotta pop that in. 2 times 2 minus 1, because my y value is 2. 4 minus 1, ST equals 3. That one was not too bad, and hopefully you got something out of this. I'm gonna start making more videos again to help you out, but until then, I will see you on the next episode. Peace.